Hello students, welcome to your class of Geography of Chapter 4 for the class 8. I am Mrs. Neha Bhargavi from the Department of Social Science in the Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Pudukkottai. So in this video, we are going to learn the Geography Chapter 4, Minerals and Resources and the Power Resources. Minerals and the Power Resources. So let's see what are the learning objectives from this lesson, children. Definition of mineral and the power resources, describe the distribution in the world and in India, and demonstrate the need for taking initiatives for conserving minerals and the power resources. So we will learn about the different kinds of minerals and power resources and their uses and the distribution around the world and in India. So let's go to the topic, children. A small warm-up to you. So can you identify which of these things are made of using minerals? If you are guessed all, you'll be going to tell the right answer. So most of the non-living things we see around us are made of the minerals. Minerals are an important resources used to make a variety of things from pins to entire buildings, right? So children, these are all the some examples of the things what we are using in our day-to-day life. The first one, the chap, and the second one is the pencil, and the third one is a coins, and fourth one is a brush. So these are all the things we are using in our day-to-day life by made by the some type of mineral, right? Okay. So mineral resources. What is mineral, children? Minerals are the greatest gift of nature, and these minerals help in the development of a country in all the spheres. There are various types of minerals present in nature that are obtained from rocks or other sources. As per the geologist, a homogeneous naturally occurring substances within a definable internal structure is called a mineral, which is found in various forms in nature. The formation of the particular mineral depends upon the physical and the chemical conditions of the material. So the industrial revolution has been responsible for an increase in the use of minerals and the power resources. The industrial machining, means of transport, and most of the industries need power to run their machines and for lightning, right? So the minerals are how it will be useful to us, children. Minerals are used for several purposes, as they provide fuel to the industries and help in producing the industrial products, and the metals like the iron, steel, and the minerals like the coal are used to fuel industries and are sourced to provide electricity. Okay, so the minerals are naturally occurring the inorganic solids that have a definite chemical composition and certain distinct physical properties such as the color, hardness, and the density. So the minerals are distributed unevenly in different parts of the earth. There are over 5,000 known minerals out there. So the most commonly available minerals on earth are silicates like the feldspar and quartz, followed by aluminium, iron, calcium, potassium, sodium, and magnesium, right? So I'm going to show children some videos of process of making copper. It's very interesting, children. So let's see the video. This is the process of making copper from our earth. It's not an easy process, children. It contains a lot of processes included in that. So a lot of industries and a lot of machinery works are there. So this is the process of making copper, children. And next, in the last few hundred years, especially since the Industrial Revolution, minerals and the power resources have become increasingly important. Both of these have been central to the development of industries and therefore to the development of the economy. So we will learn about the different kinds of minerals and the power resources, their uses and the distribution around the world and in India. So minerals are formed over millions of years by the natural processes, and then the minerals are used for several purposes as they provide the fuel to the industries and help in the producing industrial products. So the industrial revolution has been responsible for an increase in the use of minerals and the power resources, right? So I'm going to show the another video for you children. See, this is the process of taking the coal from our earth. In last video we saw the process of taking the copper, and this is a video of taking the coal from our earth. So it is also a very huge process like the copper. So it is the process, it is the steps and the procedure for taking the coal from our earth, and coal is one of the major resources when compared to the other resources. Coal is one of the major and the important resource, children. It's also a very huge process, and it contains a lot of missionary works and some difficult works also. It's not easy, children. Okay, I hope you all understand very well of process of making coal, taking coal from the earth, children. Okay, so next, the minerals are distributed unevenly in different parts of the earth. There are over 5,000 known minerals, and the most commonly available minerals are the aluminium, iron, calcium, potassium, sodium, and the magnesium, and the silicates are like the feldspar. And the next, types of minerals. Minerals are classified in two types, that is the metallic and the non-metallic minerals. On the basis of how it was classified as means on the basis of composition, and the minerals are broadly classified into metallic and the non-metallic minerals, right? So let's see about some flow chart of the minerals. So minerals are classified into two types, that is one, metallic minerals that contains metals, the metallic minerals that contain metals, and the non-metallic minerals that do not contain any metals, for example limestone, mica, and the graphite. And again, the metallic minerals are also classified into two types, that is the first type is the ferrous, and the second type is the non-ferrous, right? In the ferrous, minerals with a high iron content, for example iron, ore, manganese. And in the non-ferrous, minerals that do not contain iron, for example copper, gold, and silver. Okay, so the minerals are classified into two types, that is one of it was metallic, and another is non-metallic. And again, metallic has classified as a two types, ferrous and the non-ferrous. What is the metallic? That contains metals, and non-metallic that do not contain metals. And similarly, as a ferrous also with contain minerals with high iron content, and the non-ferrous is that do not contain iron. Okay. What's the next? Metallic. Minerals that contain metals in raw form are called metallic minerals, right? So the metallic minerals have a bright metallic luster. They are hard and dense and are good conductors of heat and electricity. So they are also ductile and malleable. Iron, ore, silver, coal, and copper are some of the examples of metallic minerals, right? So let's see some pictures of the metallic minerals like coal and the gold. Okay, and the non-metallic minerals. So minerals that do not contain any metals are called the non-metallic minerals. So these are all the minerals that are good for the cement, glass, ceramics and the lime products industries. These minerals are found in sedimentary rocks and are young-fold mountains and cannot be formed into the other products after melting. Okay. So they lack a metallic luster and are not good conductors of heat and electricity. So they are generally brittle and inflexible. Gypsum and the limestone and mica are some of the examples of with non-metallic minerals, right? So these are the pictures of the examples of non-metallic minerals, right? And the next one is a ferrous. So this is the pictures of some examples for the ferrous, and this is a picture for the non-ferrous examples, right? And the next one, extraction of minerals. Children, minerals exist in raw form in rocks, right? So a rock containing enough minerals to make its mining economically profitable is called an ore. An ore can be further classified into high-grade ore and the low-grade ore. An ore means the accumulation of any mineral mixed with the other elements where these minerals are found. That is called ore. Simply, it was said a rock containing enough minerals that makes it a mining economically profitable is called an ore. Okay. So the ore can be further classified into high-grade ore and the low-grade ore. High-grade ore has a high mineral content and fewer impurities, while low-grade ore has a lower mineral content and more impurities. Okay, and I'm going to show the another video of extraction of mineral, children. See, this is the process of extraction of minerals from the earth. It's just an animated video. Hope you are all being understand now how the process of extraction of minerals from our earth. It is also one major process of minerals, children. So these are all the layers of the earth and process of extraction of minerals from our earth. Okay, children. And the next, the process of extraction of minerals from rocks is called the mining. There are two types of mining. One is the open cast mining and the second one is the shaft mining. So quarrying is a form of open cast mining in which the large blocks of minerals are extracted from the mine, right? So the distribution of minerals. Minerals are found in different types of rocks. The metallic minerals are more commonly found in igneous and the metamorphic rocks, but also be found in sedimentary rock. Some of the largest iron and the gold deposits are found in sedimentary rocks. So the non-metallic minerals are found in all types of rocks. So that's all, children. This is the first part of the chapter 4 of geography. The topic is mineral and the power resources. We will meet the second part of this chapter. Thank you, children. Thank you all.